Okay, so I'm having some issues with the go-to card action in this lesson. I have two separate cards that are giving me trouble. So this first video is just for the first card, and I'm going to try and show you in edit mode as well as in presenter, because there's some weird things going on. So I'm going to try to set the arrow up to take me to card 13. Okay, so I've selected card 13. You'll notice this is the first weird thing. What shows up here in the thumbnail image is not card 13. It's actually card 8. So it's this card. I don't know why that's the card that shows up. And then when I go into presenter, you'll see it doesn't take me to card 8. It takes me to a completely different card. Alright, so here I am. When I select the first arrow, it should take me to card 13, and it takes me to card 17. I'm going to go back and try to select arrow number 2. Same issue here. When I select arrow number 2, it's supposed to go to card 15, and it also takes me to card 17. And when I go back, arrow 3 is supposed to go to card 17, so that one's working properly. I suspect the issue might have something to do with duplicating cards, because card 13 and card 15 are both duplicates of card 17. And then the fourth arrow goes to card 19, which is not a duplicate of card 17, and it is working fine. So I suspect it might have something to do with duplicating cards. But just for kicks, I'm going to go out and show you another example. I tried to recreate the issue in edit mode, and I get the same thumbnail issue, but it works properly in presenter. So I'm not sure what the problem is. There's obviously something going on. So let's just try and duplicate the first card here in the lesson. And then I'm going to change the background just so that I know it's the duplicate. And then I'm going to try to set up my action on this card. So say I select my moon image here. Okay. So I'm going to set this up to go to the duplicated card, but you'll see the thumbnail shows up as the original card. So that's the same issue. It's a completely different card when I set up the action. But you'll see when I go to present, this one works fine. So it goes to the correct card here. So I'm not sure if it's a duplicate issue or what, but there's obviously some problem going on with the go-to card action, and we can't seem to figure it out. Thanks.